how to use Calendly as a beginner appointment scheduling software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Calendly as a complete beginner and how you can schedule your meetings using Calendly. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to calendly.com and you will land on this platform right here. Calendly is a hub for scheduling meetings professionally and efficiently. You can eliminate the hassle of back and forth emails so that you can get back to your work. We can simply add reminders, schedule meetings, appointments, whatever we want to use in Calendly and save our time to get more productive. To get started with Calendly, what you can do is you can get started with this option right here on the website. Getting started is really easy. You can sign up with your email address, or you can also sign up with your Google or Microsoft. I will simply go ahead and sign in to my Calendly. Once you sign up, this is where you will get, this is my Calendly account. So now let me show you around. What happens on Calendly is that you will be able to simply create event types, schedule events, then we get our own workflow, and then we also now get a routing forms option. We get this option right here which says create, and it allows you to quickly create an event type or create a one-off meeting or a meeting poll. We get the home option. Right now we are on home. So right here we get the home option. This is our home, and in here you will be able to find all of your past projects. Then we have the availability option. This is important. Here we simply set our availability for our business and for our working hours. Then we get the integration option, where of course we can integrate any kind of application to our Calendly in order to customize our Calendly experience. We can add Calendly for Outlook. We have Google Calendar, HubSpot, MailChimp, PayPal, Slack, Wix, Zoom, and more. So we can also search by different niches right here, an application that we want to add to our Calendly. Now you know all the different main features and tools. Let's get into them. To create a new event type, you can simply go to this option right here or click on event type, or you can click on new event type. It will allow you to create a new event and select an event type. In here, we get one-on-one meeting, a group meeting, collective, or round robin. I will simply go ahead and create a one-on-one meeting. So this is our canvas where we actually work to create our own meeting. What you have to do is you simply add event name. Let's call it work meeting. Then we have to select a location. On Calendly, what you can do is you can add an address for a place, for a real place where you will meet and conduct this meeting in person. Then we get the phone call option, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and custom option. So you can see we have all of the different online options as well. What I will do is I will simply select Google Meet because this is where I will be conducting my meeting. Then we have to add a description. You can add whatever you want to. In here, you can add notes, add a summary and details for the invitees. Then you will find your event link here. This is going to be my event link, and we can actually customize it if we want to. We can give it a name, and this one is called work meeting. It looks good, so I'm not gonna customize it. Then we can actually select an event color to just customize our Calendly. Let's go with bright yellow. Simply click on next. Now we have more options. You can see we have date range. So this is the date range so that invitees can schedule the meeting. You can select an event within this range or indefinitely in the future. Well, I will simply go ahead and actually select business days, and from here I'm going to select 3. Now my attendees will have an idea that this is the meeting. Then we have to select the duration. You can select the duration for your meeting. I will go with custom. Let's go with hours and select 2 because this is a 2 hours meeting. Then we have how do you want to offer your availability for this event. We can use our existing schedule. I will show you how to set availability, and we can just add it to all of our meetings. Or we can actually, add an availability for this meeting right here, and we can set custom hours. But I will just go with use an existing schedule. Then we have selected the event time for working hours. You will select your time zone from here. Then we have want to add time before or the event. So I want a reminder, and we can add a reminder 30 minutes prior to the meeting. Now my attendees will also receive this reminder 30 minutes before the meeting. Simply click on next. And now we can add additional options such as invitee questions, workflow, notification and cancellation policy, confirmation page, and collect payments. If you want to add a question, you can add a question such as name and email, and then we can add a new question as well. You simply type in the question and select the answer type, and you will be able to create questions right here within your meeting. Then we can add a collect payment option, and it will allow you to collect payments if it's fundraiser or a event of this type. Once you're done with all of the settings, you can click on save and close. So once you're done with all of the settings, your meeting will be created. We can also go ahead and check a live page for the meeting right here that we just created. This is going to be a preview that you will get. And now we have created our meeting. We can go back. So this is the meeting that we just created. Now, let me show you how to create a scheduled event. All of the scheduled event will be shown right here, and we can actually view all of our event types that we have created. Then you will be able to find your pending events right here. Then we have past and date range, and this will help us get access to all of our upcoming or pending events. Then we have workflow of course and routing forms. Let's go to availability, and let me quickly show you how you can set the availability hours. You can see right here, first of all, you select event type, and you can actually select this availability for different event types from here. Then we have the time zone. You can select any time zone from here. There you go. And then you can also get a calendar view. Right now, I am actually checking the list view. We have days right here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all of the business days. And then these are the different hours. If you want to customize the hour, you can simply select here. This is going to be the starting hour, and this is going to be the ending hour. Let's start our day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now this will be saved, and I can actually copy this time to other days as well. If you want to delete a day, you can simply go ahead and remove an interval from here, for example, and it will be removed. You can add it again. Let's say that on Friday, maybe my schedule is different. So what I can do is I can again select the time, because on Friday, we're available from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then on Saturday, we're not available. So this is going to be my time, and this is my availability for my meetings and for my Calendly. And this way you can simply schedule different meetings, set availability, add reminders, and add appointments, schedule meetings, and schedule events. Calendly will help you save a lot of time and get more productive. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Calendly as a complete beginner to schedule your meetings. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.